Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Senor, and today I will teach how to recover zip file password if you forgot it. Forgot or lost your password for the zip archive? How to retrieve it? Don't worry, Coco Senor ZIP Password Tuner can help you recover the zip file encrypted password. This software is suitable for recovering any zip file with forgotten password. Click to download and install it on your computer. Now launch the software. You need to click on the Open option. Then select the zip file from which you need to recover the password and click Open. There are 4 password recovery options to choose from. You can choose one and customize the settings, which can shorten the recovery time. Firstly, the brute force recovery type is selected. To speed up the recovery process, you can provide the password details if possible. Then click the Start button. Finally, the zip password will be found. You can copy it to open the locked zip file. See, the zip file is extracted successfully. You can also use mask recovery type to perform the password recovery if you remember part of the password. Choose the mask option on the recovery type drop-down menu. Then set the mask for your password. After that, click the Start button. Wait patiently until the password is recovered. As for the dictionary recovery type, you can choose it if you have kept a password dictionary file. Just click the Dictionary tab. Then click the button, select Dictionary and add your dictionary file. Click the Start button and the software will test and find the right password for your zip document if it exists on the dictionary file. If you know nothing about the password, you can try the SMART method. In this way, the software will test all possible combinations until it finds the right one. So, it will take much more time. That's all. Thanks for watching.